how to use Viggle AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can utilize Viggle AI for our advantage. So for this, just simply open up Viggle.ai, then click on this option of join the beta, and this will take you to Discord. Just accept the invitation. After that, open up any of the animate room over here under the create video section, and after opening up any of the video, you would be able to give the prompt and create your own videos. Now in order to check the prompts, we will open up the Viggle AI's official website, then click on this option of prompt, and here you would be able to explore different kinds of prompts and animations according to your needs and requirements. And if you want to use any of the VFX video, just simply select it. Suppose you want to use this one, just simply select this one. After that, copy the prompt from here and it would be copied successfully. Then click on OK. After that, open up Discord, and here you need to type slash, then select the option of animate. After that, you need to upload your image over here that you want to utilize for the VFX, and you can also drag and drop your image over here. And after that, select the option of motion prompt. Now here we need to paste the prompt that we just copied from the website. Now in the background option, we can select green or white depending on our needs and requirements. After that, select the option of on for the fine tune in order to get better results, and hit enter. This way you would be able to create VFX just like the one that we selected, but this will look like you or the image that you will use while creating this particular VFX. So this is how you will be able to use Viggle AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.